So what is up guys? No? Excuse me. Nakikauban.
Sandal mo sana ang ulo mo sa una.
Mura kay Chinese.
Chinese.
Hindi ay, like, kabulo ka mga Chinese.
Gamay lang. Gamay lang.
Wa-ai-ni, kana. Kabulo ka, ana.
I love you.
I love you too.
Haharanahin kita, saan tayo mapunta?
Na kayo boyfriend?
Ha?
Na kayo boyfriend?
Wala.
Wala? Ha, nga naman. Gwapa man kayo kay boyfriend.
Kita ganun siya.
Don't know what to do whenever you are near. Don't know what to say, my heart is floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly.
Oh my God. Like, wala ka ng mga MU. Wala. Like, kailangan dyan, no? Like, love yourself, agad, no?
Ano yun?
Pero ayaw kay love imong self ug ayo. Responsibility naman ako na
Tanong mo sa akin kung sinong aking mahal.
inaunsay mong ipangita sa laki. Like,
Butan lang.
butaan? Ako rin hugas ani ma'am. Ako rin hugas sa mga plates. Hindi ba kayo kumay mo tabok? Guide ko ha, kay ka-vlog ko.
Oh my God. Reason for my being, and I love.
Okay. So, nanang ko na sa ramen. Sana soju.
Something alcohol.
Balik ka diri ha. Next time. Okay, magbutang ka sa atong own nga flask of love.
Haranahin kita, saan tayo mapunta?
You call ate. Kasi ate, bayan. Bayan. Yeah, ate, bayan. That's kuya. Pay. Gonna pay. Kuya. Okay.
Kahit ako'y titibo-tibo, puso ko ay titibok-tibok pa rin sa'yo. Isang
Son, hello.
What to say?
Hello. Who's that?
What to say?
She looks like my future wife.
Don't know what to do whenever you are near. Don't know what to say.
Do you know how to play rock, paper, scissors? You know bato, pick? Bato, pick. Again. Bato, pick. Bato, pick.
Slash away. You decide
How about me? Yay! I
all the time. I have loved
Are you having fun?
you.
Mas fun ako basta nagkuyog ka doha.
You feel this feeling I have for you inside. I'm a hopeless romantic, I know I am. Memorized all the lines, and here I am, struggling for words. I still don't know what to say. What to say?
Gihigugmati ka.
When you wait for your lunch. You eat na lang your lunch. Very sick.
Very,
elementary pa lang, napapansin na nila mga gawi kong parang hindi pambabae. Kasi kiss na Chinese garter, laruan ko ay text sa cholens. Tapos ko jamming ko lagi noon mga sigang lalaki sa amin. Nung ako'y mag-high school ay napabarkada sa mga bike.
So welcome aboard! Sila man. You watch? Do you know your name in my video?
Nickname?
Yeah, I call you I call you baby.
Kahit ako'y titibok-tibok, puso ko ay titibok-tibok.
Baby. Is it fine?
Babies, right?
What?
You have 2 babies, right?
Oh my gosh! Hey Hero, do you know what am I wearing today? I'm wearing the smile that you gave me.
Haranahin kita, saan man tayo mapunta, yung tipong kaya wala lang.
Are you a keyboard?
A keyboard?
Yeah. I think you're like a keyboard because you're my type.
Kahit ako'y titibok-tibok, puso ko ay titibok-tibok pa rin sa'yo. Isang halik mo lamang at ako ay tinatablan, at ang aking pagkababae ay nabubuhay.
So, goodbye for now.
Na namumukadkad dahil alakam
Yeah.
sa dilig at katatang
Stay safe.
sikat ng
Drink milk. I don't know.
araw.
Love you. Bye-bye.
Sa aking buhay,
Bye, baby. I love you. Amping. I love you kayo. Nakoy chance, di ko. Sa vlogger. Nakoy chance. Feeling niyo wala koy chance. Yes! Nagda yung bye na yung chance. Bye, baby!
Nung tayo'y nagkalit siya, isang ako lamang binigay ang matamis na